Hiya, it's Richard, Bunny School of Motoring. I just wanted to do this video just to say thank you to everyone. The response I had yesterday was brilliant. I know my video wasn't the best. I'm not very good at it, but I can only get better. So I'm planning on doing quite a few more. So if you keep your eye out for me, please give me a follow somewhere up by here somewhere. If you can give me a follow, give me a like, and give me a share. My next video is probably going to be about people stalling on driving lessons, because I've had a lot of feedback from that first video. So if you can tag away at anyone who's stalling or struggling, or even just struggling on anything in particular with lessons, drop me a message and I'll see if I can help you out. Other than that, thanks again. Keep your eye out for me, keep your eye out for the next videos, and I'll see you soon. Brilliant, thank you.